It is usually served with slices of banana and toasted sesame seeds. Ntrition. This is a type of condiment that is commonly eaten with rice in Myanmar. It is made with fermented fish or shrimp paste, mixed with garlic, chili, and other spices, and then fried until crispy. Bánh mont. This is a crispy pancake made with chickpea flour, onions, and turmeric. It is usually served with a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Choze. This is a popular street food snack made with various types of fritters, such as corn, tofu, and potato. They are usually served with a spicy dipping sauce. Myanmar cuisine is full of surprises and is sure to satisfy any food lover's taste buds. So, if you're planning a trip to Myanmar, be sure to explore its unique and flavorful cuisine. Myanmar is also famous for its tea culture. Tea is a staple drink in Myanmar and is usually served with meals or as a refreshing drink throughout the day. Burmese tea is different from other types of tea as it is brewed with condensed milk and served with a side of crispy fried snacks, such as samosas or spring rolls. In addition to tea, Myanmar is also known for its locally brewed beer, such as Mandalay beer and Myanmar beer. These beers are popular among locals and tourists alike and are usually served cold in small glasses. Another aspect of Myanmar's food culture that is worth mentioning is its traditional food festivals. These festivals are held throughout the year and celebrate various aspects of Burmese culture and religion. During these festivals, food plays a central role, with vendors selling a variety of traditional dishes and snacks. Some popular food festivals in Myanmar include the Thadingud Festival, which is held to celebrate the end of Buddhist Lent, and the Tongji Fire Balloon Festival, which features traditional Burmese food and drink alongside spectacular hot air balloon displays. Overall, Myanmar's cuisine and food culture are rich and diverse, reflecting the country's unique history and cultural heritage. Whether you're a foodie or simply looking to try something new, Myanmar's food scene is sure to leave a lasting impression. Myanmar also has a variety of unique fruits that are worth trying. Some of the most popular fruits in Myanmar include durian. This is a spiky fruit with a strong odor and creamy, custard-like flesh. It is a favorite among locals but can be an acquired taste for tourists. Mangosteen. This is a sweet and juicy fruit with a thick, purple skin. It has a soft, white flesh that is often described as tasting like a combination of peach, strawberry, and vanilla. Rambutan. This is a small, red fruit with spiky hairs on the outside. It has a sweet, juicy flesh that is similar to lychee. Tamarind. This is a sour fruit that is often used in Burmese cuisine to add tangy flavor to dishes. It is also used to make a refreshing drink called tamarind juice. In addition to its delicious food and drink, Myanmar also has a rich culinary history and tradition.